Welcome to Pilates Flow number 16 on balance and single leg strengthening. What we don't understand about balance typically is it is a very trainable kind of a thing. You can do it every day. Just take great safety in having something to touch or hang on to, like the counter, like the front of a bed, or the countertop, or in front of a sink in the bathroom or the kitchen. What we want to do basically is just start lifting one leg up as high as you can and standing one leg. And this one leg gets all of the weight of the body. Now, if you need to hang on to a side, that's fine. Once I'm in this position for 30 seconds, I'm going to take my opposing arm out, and I'm just going to hold it there and see how long I can balance on this leg. To make it even more progressive, more difficult, we can open up to a T position. Now, again, whatever we do on one side, we're going to do the other. Now, this leg is just burning, so I'm going to prance. So I'm going to lift this left knee towards you, lift my left heel up, and switch, and switch. Joseph Pilates talks about this movement a lot, of getting rid of hip and leg burning from use of one leg. So let's do the other leg. This right foot is parallel to you. I'm going to lift this left knee up as high as I can. Now, let me talk about my spine. My spine is nice and long. Now, my right foot, all 4 points. The outside, the front toe canyon, the heel are pressing down. Then I'll add that outer opposing arm. And if I can hold this, I'll add this arm. And stand here. You know, you can work up your time standing on one leg up against the sink while you're doing dishes. Balance is trainable. Balance must be practiced daily. Then I'm going to sit down and let's talk about the quickness to regain balance. It's that resetting of a loss of balance that is what's so vital. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a big step out to the left and shift my weight back and come back with control. Now watch. I can even add the hinge and shift and control. You see the steadiness, the grace, the body control. Let's do it 2 more times. Shift and control. And hinge, step, back, and control. Other side. So whatever I do on one side, I want to make sure I do on the other side here. So it's the resetting right here. That's important. 2 more. Inhale and pull in. It corsets your core. 1 last time. Inhale and exhale. And for today's workout, I'm going to show you 5 lateral movements that you can do in order as many times in a day as possible. Let's start with our stabilizing leg on the left. You're going to inhale, lift both hands to shoulder height, thumb up. And as I lean to my left and I weight transference, both arms go to my right with my right leg out. Now, inhale, bring that foot down. Don't set it down. Left is holding. You're going to bend the knee, hinge, and reach with the same side arm as the leg that is up. Inhale, exhale, pull up and in. Now straighten this leg as the opposing arm reaches down and the leg lifts up and come back in. Now I'm going to set both feet down. Did you feel that burn? That's good. That's building strength. And all you want to do now is you're just going to make 3 lateral kicks to the side on this leg. Here we go. You're going to inhale, kick. Notice how I'm laterally hinging here and back. Lateral kick and back. lateral kick, and back. Then I'm going to set my toe canyon down. You'll notice my right knee is bent to you. Arms are in front, inhale, and as I lift up, here, I hold 3, 2, and 1, and bring those arms down. Let's go to the other side. My right foot is now down. I'm going to inhale, bring my arms straight up, thumbs facing the ceiling. Now, as I kick out on my left, my both arms will come to my right. So we're loading this right leg. And then I'm going to bring it back, bring that foot in without touching the floor. Let's do that again. So the same arm and leg is moving. Arm comes down, left leg bends. Gonna come up, woo. That's why I have a chair there. Straighten up. The resetting is important. Then I'm gonna take the right arm with the left leg straight and go down. And come back up. Reset, even out those feet, and now understand that we're gonna kick the left leg out laterally, right? And we're going to reach right. So we're going to go 3 and come back up. And 2 and come back up. And 1 and come back up. Woo! Then I'm going to bend that left knee forward. That toe canyon is up. And I'm going to take a deep inhale and I'm going to lift up on my toes. And hold for 3, 2, and 1, and come down. Now, if you're burning it all, always remember this particular prancing or walking, as Joseph Pilates would say. So if you need any stability, use a chair, right? And so we're going to go ahead and just finish off with some back kicks. And using that chair, all you're going to do is lift, and you're going to bring the knee up as the arms come up. Let's do that 2 more times. So you can bring the arms down as the leg is lifted. It's a little bit more challenging. And arms come up as the leg lifts. And inhale, coming back, lift, and up. Then I'm going to set that down. I'm going to do just the same on the other side. Now that leg is single leg strengthening there, but I'm also working on the core with balance. Right leg is parallel. Here I go. Remember, you can always start here. Lifting that leg back. I can balance to make sure I can do this move. And then I can release it. Lifting that left knee up as the arms come up. Now, if you want to get a little bit more daring, you can bring those arms down as that leg lifts up. And then bring that knee forward. Notice how straight my spine is. And one last time. So taking your hands off of the chair is the progressive part that you want to work towards. Ooh. And I'll just prance just a second right there. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to squat in front of my chair so it gives me that great ability to stretch out my knees. I'm hanging on, and I don't have to hang on to make this perfect, right? But I'm just opening in the squat, sit squat position with my arms forward. If you can, start wavering your hips back and forth, practicing weight transference in a sit squat. Now I'm going to push that forward. Take my hands down in this perfect hinge. Inhale. As I lift,
Straightening my feet out, taking a deep inhale as I tuck my chin to my chest, and I exhale, rolling and restacking.
Thanks for joining me. And remember, balance is a very trainable element, and do it every day. Your balance will improve no matter what your age.